Hey, sweeties, I've got a good one for you today. We have the new soft serve at home machine, the Ninja Swirl by Creami. So you may have seen the Ninja Creami. It's been all over the place, viral recipes, but they've made a new model with a special edition. Now, not only can you make scoopable ice cream, frozen yogurts, acai bowls, that type of thing, now you can make soft serve. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. We are going to make 3 recipes of soft serve in the Ninja Swirl. I'm very excited about this. We're going to get into it. We'll talk about the pros and the cons and the cost of this machine, and if it's something that's worth it for you. Let's get into it, but first, please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and now let's get into this Ninja Swirl by Creami. First, let's take off all of these stickers. They have given us plenty of stickers because they want you to know exactly where everything is and what everything does. That's on there, good. My daughter is actually the ice cream queen in the family. She uses the Ninja Creami more than anyone. Thank you, Anise, for stepping in to help us demonstrate the Ninja Swirl. She's already prepared the easy vanilla soft serve recipe. So this one is a no-cook recipe. It is sugar, vanilla instant pudding mix, whole milk, heavy cream, and it calls for vanilla extract, but she has added vanilla bean paste. I'm excited to try it. So the creamify part works much as the original Creami did by pushing a metal blade down through your frozen concoction. And you do have to have a little patience because you need to make your ice cream base and then let it freeze for a full 24 hours. She had the forethought to make several batches of ice cream yesterday so we can spin up the vanilla soft serve right now. Let's see how loud this is gonna get. I actually turned the volume down on this piece because it is super loud. So the process is fairly simple, but now we do have to change out this top. How's it looking? It does look good. And it does look soft. This is the drip. Catch any drips. When I did the measurements, in our unboxing video, what I neglected to say was that once you add this in, you're adding another about 4 inches to the depth.
All right, turn this to open.
Ooh, exciting. Wow! And that's soft serve ice cream, folks. Look at that. I'm impressed. Impressive. Let's put a little sprinkles on there, because I can't have soft serve without sprinkles. Yum. That's delicious. And it's pretty easy. You do have to have patience, but that's some tasty soft serve. I'm ready for summer. It's good. You press the retract button when you're ready to take the pint off of the Ninja Swirl, and we can store the leftover ice cream for later. Creamy Fit recipes using pre-made protein shakes like Premier Protein have been very popular over the last few months, so we made our own. My daughter steeped some chai into the Premier Protein and let it freeze overnight, and now we are going to turn it into soft serve. So into the creamifier it goes. The texture came out a little bit crumbly, so we're going to respin it back into the creamifier with this Creamy Fit so we can get it a little more silky. That's the texture we're looking for. So now we are going to switch the top so we can put it into the soft serve mechanism. You do have to have a little patience because it takes some time for that ice cream to start coming out of the soft serve nozzle there. But you can see that sort of blue disc is pushing the ice cream, the Creamy Fit in this case, closer to the dispenser and then extruding it through that portion. And there we have our Premier Protein chai flavored Creamy Fit soft serve. And one tip, if you are really impatient and you want some soft serve right away, you can use store-bought ice cream. And my daughter has a pro tip for you.
Yeah, we let this sort of get a little softer in our chiller drawer so that we can mash it down easier. And then we're gonna refreeze it. Or actually, oh no, I thought we had to refreeze it.
No, I think you can put it straight in the
right
thing.
in the thing. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, we can go right away. There's no downtime. If you want to try soft serve right away and you don't want to wait for your homemade ice cream base to freeze for 24 hours, then you can use some store-bought ice cream and just mash it down in there. Put it on your Ninja Swirl. And we are going to put this store-bought chocolate soft serve on some homemade chocolate chip cookies. The containers and lids and creamifier blades and gaskets are all dishwasher safe. For the base, the part with the motor, you're just going to wipe that down. That part is not dishwasher safe. You don't want to immerse that part in water. So just wipe that down to clean it. But the parts that contain the ice cream go right in the dishwasher. Well, what did you think about that, sweeties? Homemade, soft serve, the Ninja Swirl by Creami. We had a good time with this. Thanks to my daughter Anise for mixing up all the ice cream bases. We did three of the simplest bases, no cooking necessary. And the chocolate is store-bought ice cream and then put through the swirl mechanism to make chocolate soft serve. The vanilla, my goodness, so delicious. It's summertime memories of Mr. Softy. If you grew up in the Northeast in New York City, then you know what I'm talking about. And the protein soft serve really depends on the protein drink that you use. If you have a favorite protein drink that you think I should try, please put that in the comments because I would like a do-over on that one. The texture came out well, but the Premier Protein taste just was not to my liking. It wasn't bad, but it just wasn't great. So I would like to try that again with a different protein drink. Let's talk about the pros and the cons of the Ninja Swirl. Pros is it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. And if you have someone that loves to make ice cream like my daughter does, then it is well worth it. Cons, it takes up a lot of space. It's a large and heavy unit, heavy to be bringing up and down, in and out of the cabinets, tall, wide. So it takes up a lot of real estate in your kitchen. And the $349.99 price tag, which is what I paid for it, is pretty hefty. So you might want to wait for a good sale, Black Friday, Christmas in July, something that will knock some of the dollars off of this price tag. But I love it. I love it. I love the soft serve, which is my favorite kind of ice cream. Reminds me of the twirl in Utahville, South Carolina. If you know, you know. And now I get to taste some of this ice cream sandwich with the chocolate soft serve. And the cookies were made by my son, his own recipe. So homemade ice cream, homemade cookies. Oh boy, I'm super excited to see if I can get a good bite. Yeah, that's so good. That is so good. I'm super happy with this. We're going to get into more of these recipes in the Ninja Swirl by Creami recipe book because they got a ton of them. They even have another recipe for vanilla ice cream. If you don't want to use the pudding mix, some of their ice cream bases use xanthan gum. So we're going to try that and maybe a frozen yogurt next. So stay tuned for that. But all in all, for me, this is a winner. Come back to see what ice creams we make out of the Ninja Swirl by Creami. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and y'all have a delicious day. Because I can't have soft serve without sprinkles. Yum.